Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a good day everyone. Welcome back sa panibagong upload at maligayang pagbabalik po sa aking munting channel. Marami na naman po tayong mga bagong dating. Lahat po ito halos pasok po to sa mga budget nyo. Kaya sa mga kababayan kong naghahanap ng maayos na second hand cars, panoorin nyo po ito hanggang sa dulo. Lahat po ng unit natin ay mechanic inspected. Na-check at na-scan ko na rin to. Sasakyan nyo na lang to at garantisadong walang sakit sa ulo. Alright, let's start. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo ng notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Wala nang maraming intro, simulan na natin to. Nangunguna sa ating lineup, mayroon tayong 2017 Honda Mobilio 1.5 CVT, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 68,000 km, price 495,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron tayong quality na 7-seater ang capacity, naka-registered to hanggang 2026 at free na po ang transfer of ownership neto. Smooth original shiny paint, very presentable. Check nyo po ang interior nitong unit, all stock, all original. Smooth and responsive automatic CVT transmission. Malamig ang aircon nitong unit, malinis ang loob, maayos ang dashboard. Naka touchscreen head unit na rin to with auxiliary USB and Bluetooth ready. All power and all panel gauge, 100% working. Original mileage po yan, not tampered. Naka fabric seats, maayos naman po ang kondisyon ng mga upuan neto. Maayos ang suspension nito at wala po itong kalampag, walang langit-ngit. Best buy unit to, perfect to pang family use. Check nyo po engine bay nito mga idol. Under the hood, malinis po ang engine nito, walang oil leakage. Naka 1.5 liter iVTEC gasoline engine that produces 117 horsepower at 145 Nm of torque. Good running condition to, ready for long drive. Makakapal pa naman ang mga gulong neto. Pwede to sa masela nating buyer. Sa mga interesado dyan, pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual. Natin to fix naman to, just gas and go. Next, 2012 Toyota Vios 1.3e, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 90,000 km, price 298,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong well-maintained dito na Toyota Vios Batman Series. First owner acquired, isa rin to sa pinakamabintang sedan dito sa Pinas. All stock, all original din to, naka power steering, naka dual SRS airbag at malamig pang aircon itong unit with automatic climate control. All goods pa to, alaga to ng first owner. All stock, all original. Best buy unit din to at pasok na pasok sa budget nyo mga bossing. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. No talsik, no usok, no blow by. Naka VVTi 1.3 liter gasoline engine that produces 98 horsepower at 123 Nm of torque. 100% not flooded unit at 100% no accident history. Kompleto rin ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer at updated po ang registration nito until July 2025. Next, we have 2011 Ford Ranger XLT 2.5 TDCi 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 117,000 km, price 390,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang pasok sa budget na pickup. Only 390,000 lang po ang price na ito, mapapasa nyo na. Smooth and responsive, 5-speed automatic transmission, all power windows, doors and mirrors, 100% working. First owner acquired. Check nyo po actual mileage din ito, not tampered. Fresh and intact ang interior nitong unit. Kahit 2011 model to, sulit na sulit pa po ito bilhin. Used but not abused. Kita naman po sa itsura nito, kahit po yung bidliner matting nito malinis, wala pong gasgas, halatang hindi po nakargahan. Under the hood, superb quality engine. Naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 143 horsepower at 330 Nm of torque. Wala po itong oil leakage at wala po itong overheat history. Outside appearance ito, maayos ang pintura, makinis, stock original shiny paint, at ang apat na gulong nito bago po lahat. Nothing to fix, sasakyan mo na lang to, just diesel and go. Next, 2010 Ford Everest 2.5 TDCi 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 110,000 km, price 355,000. Location BF Homes, Parañaque City. Meron din akong sinamang low budget na SUV, 7-seater ang capacity nito mga bossing. Smooth manakbo, wala pong delay ang transmission, walang kaldag, malinis ang dashboard, all power, gana po lahat. Sidings maayos. Ang issue nito yung mga upuan lang po, yung mga leather niya may mga crack lang po. All power and all panel gauge, properly working. Yun lang po ang nakita kong issue nito. Mga pang ilalim maayos, wala naman po itong kalampag. Basta't mga upuan lang po ang problema. Yung leather niya may crack dala ng sa edad niya. Pero kung palalagyan niyo po ng leather seat cover, kung papapalitan niyo, mas pogi po ito tingnan. Under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue, wala pong oil leakage, wala ring overheat history to. No talsik, no usok, no blow by. Must see the unit to appreciate. Outside appearance itong unit, present presentable, makinis, bagong bapping po yan. Original shiny paint, wala pong retouch. Kompleto ang mga papel nito, naka-registered hanggang 2026. Next, 2016 acquired Mitsubishi Mirage G4 1.2 GLS, automatic transmission, gas, engine odometer, 47,000 km. Price, 325,000. Location, BF Homes, Parañaque City. Top of the line series na sedan, Mitsubishi Mirage. Naka-nano ceramic tint na po ito. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, clean and fresh, intact interior nitong unit. 2015 model to pero 2016 acquired. Naka 10 inches Android head unit with 360-degree camera. Meron na rin tong aftermarket na armrest. Naka premium leather seat cover tong unit. Goods na goods to, labas at loob. At ang isa pang maganda dito, low mileage lang po ito, hindi to masyadong gamit. Nothing to fix, sasakyan mo na lang to. Under the hood, naka 1.2 liter 3-cylinder gasoline engine that produces 77 horsepower at 100 Nm of torque. Naka-Amaron battery pa to. Available tong unit sa financing. Please check na lang ng computation. Andyan po sa screen. Makakapal pang mga gulong nito. 4 na gulong nito. Naka-Yokohama. Nasa 90% trade life. Ready to use na to. Next, we have 2010 Honda Civic FD 1.8S. Automatic transmission, gas, engine odometer, 73,000 km. Price, 355,000. Location, BF Homes, Parañaque City. Meron tayo ditong quality na Honda Civic Octagon Series. Formado na to. Naka-register din to hanggang January 2026. Push start button na to. Naka 9 inches Android head unit. Smooth and responsive 5-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifter. All power and all mechanism working po lahat. Sa 2010 model, will maintain and well preserved to. Used but not abused. Mga upuan nito naka leather seat cover. Meron na rin tong headrest monitor. Under the hood, garantisadong walang issue ang makina nito. No talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Condition po itong makina. Ready for long drive. Pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual. Unli check, unli test drive. Naka 18 inches BBS mags at makakapal pang mga gulong nito. Meron na rin tong rear spoiler. Naka HKS Sports muffler na rin pala tong unit. Next, 2010 Kia Sportage 2.0 EX CRDI. Automatic transmission, diesel engine odometer, 96,000 km. Price, 348,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap naman dyan ng crossover type na diesel yung engine, meron din po tayong Kia Sportage dito. Another well-maintained unit, pristine interior condition. Naka-leather na pong mga upuan nito. Maayos pong kondisyon ng mga leather ng upuan. Wala pong crack, walang damage. Malamig ang aircon. All stock, all original to. Sa 15 years na edad nitong unit, sulit pa po itong bilhin. At maayos pong pang ilalim nito. Wala po itong kalampag. First owned unit. Private use only, not bank repo. Check nyo engine bay nito under the hood. Excellent engine condition. Naka 2.0 liter diesel engine that produces 140 horsepower at 320 Nm of torque. Fuel efficient, ready for long drive. For more quality units, you can visit my Facebook account, Renato De La Toro Jr. Marami rin po tayong unit na nakapost doon. Next unit, 2019 Mitsubishi Expander 1.5 GLS. Automatic transmission, gas, engine odometer, 40,000 km. Price, 670,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa mga gusto namang mag-upgrade dyan ng mga bossing ko ng 7-seater MPV, meron po tayo ditong Mitsubishi Expander. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button. Multi-function steering wheel, meron na rin tong cruise control. All power, windows, doors, and mirrors, pati yung automatic retractable side mirror, working po lahat. Fresh and clean interior, naka-all leather seat cover na pong mga upuan neto. Perfect to pang personal and family use. Under the hood, smooth and quiet engine. Naka 1.5 liter 4-cylinder 16-valve gasoline engine that produces 103 horsepower at 141 Nm of torque. Condition na po ito sa pangmahabaang biyahe. Pwede nyo rin pong i-avail to ng financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation andyan sa screen. Complete legal docs, LTO and HPG verified. Outside appearance ito, naka-stock original shiny paint. Makinis, wala po itong gasgas, walang dent. Very presentable. Next, we have 2014 Toyota Camry 2.5V. Automatic transmission, gas, engine odometer, 60,000 km. Price, 540,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang maayos at quality na pang executive car. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng Toyota Camry, mga bossing at idol ko, check this out. All stock, all original to. Push start button na rin to with cruise control. All power, seats, windows, doors, pati mirrors, working po lahat. Pati privacy curtain nito, gumagana din. 100% not flooded unit at 100% no accident history to. Under the hood, powerful engine, naka 2.5 liter dual VVTi gasoline engine that produces 178 horsepower at 231 Nm of torque. Pasok din itong unit natin sa financing, pakicheck na lang ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Sa mga interesado dyan at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa tasong Smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Available din to sa trade-in mga bossing. Next, we have 2010 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.5 GLS 4x2 automatic transmission diesel engine, odometer 80,000 km, price 510,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap naman dyan ng around 500,000 na SUV, pwede nyo rin pong i-check to mga bossing. Sulit na sulit pa to sa 2010 model. Maayos po ang kondisyon ng engine nito, transmission, walang delay, maayos ang interior, mga upuan, naka-fabric seats, wala namang pong punit, walang damage. 7 to 8 seater ang capacity nito. For only 510,000 naka-Montero ka na. Ano pang inaantay mo? Check mo na to. Under the hood, no engine issue, wala po itong oil leakage, wala po itong overheat history. Naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 175 horsepower at 350 Nm of torque. Available din to sa financing, pakicheck na lang po ulit ng computation andyan sa screen. Sa mga cash buyer natin dyan, negotiable pa naman po ito upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Kung mayroon naman po kayong mga unit na existing dyan, pwede nyo pong dalhin sa shop para i-trade in. Meron din tayong 2015 Toyota Fortuner 2.5V 4x2 automatic transmission diesel engine, odometer 62,000 km, price 790,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang Toyota Fortuner B variant. Ito yung series na may hood scoop pa po. All power and all mechanism, gumagana po lahat. Smooth and responsive naman po, manakbo, walang delay. Ang maganda dito sa mga SUV na to, maluwag ang second row at ang cargo bay nito, foldable ang third row kung marami kayong ilalagay. Available din tong unit natin sa financing. Please check ulit ng computation, nandyan po sa screen. Pwede sa masela na buyer to. Panalo tong Black Series na Toyota Fortuner. Makakabal pang mga gulong nito. Ready to use, just diesel and go. Last unit, 2019 Nissan Urban NB350 2.5L manual transmission diesel engine, odometer 59,000 km, price 740,000. Location Las Piñas City. Check nyo rin tong 2019 na Nissan Urban sa mga naghahanap dyan ng pang family service, pang business. Smooth and responsive, 5-speed manual transmission. All stock, all original to. Malamig ang aircon nito, naka dual ice cold aircon. Standard 15-seater ang capacity nito. Naka fabric seats to, malilinis naman pong upuan nito, sidings, pati ceiling. Ready to use na po ito, good running engine condition. No issue nating to fix, ready for long drive. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nakursunadahan kayo. Kung wala pa naman po dyan ang unit na kursunada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload, this is J. Catskill Vlogs. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Maupay ng adlaw. Peace out!